Happy Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. It is April 1st, April Fool's Day. I'm really hoping that someone tells me that this whole pandemic is just a giant April Fool's joke. So I'm crossing my fingers that's how it's going. But until then, we're in this together. So let's get started. I'm really excited today to talk about transcription. So that is the first step in our central dogma theory, how we go from a DNA to RNA. But before we jump into that, let's go to our riddles. Our riddle from yesterday was 2 words. My answer is only 2 words. To keep me, you must give me. The answer, ladies and gents, is your word. Your word. In order to give someone your word, you have to give it to them, and that's how you keep it. All right, today's riddle. George, Helen, and Steve are drinking coffee. Bert, Karen, and Dave are drinking soda. Using logic, is Elizabeth drinking coffee or soda? She drinking coffee or soda? Let me know, either do now, message, text, whatever it is. What do you think it is? So today we are all about transcription. Just to jump into what you're going to start off with class. Hold on one sec while I pull it up. All right, so today, make sure if you have not done so already, you have done your attendance assignment. If not, pause me right now, go do that. Then you'll jump straight into your worksheet. When you get there, make sure that you're working in the order that it's given to you. After this video, you'll do step 1, talking about transcription. Going down here, you'll stop, you'll go to video 2, make sure you take notes, and then come back here for part 2. And then right after, you'll hop over to this is video 2 is already up, and your exit ticket, and that'll be it. Again, you'll have 2 chances for your exit tickets, so make sure you're taking advantage of those. If you don't like your score the first time around, you go back and work on it again, so you can get that grade that you like. Because as of this moment, there is no makeup work, so make sure you do the work now for that. And so today we are talking about transcription. And yesterday we talked about this big idea called the central dogma theory. This idea that in order to get a phenotype, which is that physical characteristic like brown eyes, you need to start with your genotype, which is your DNA. So you go from DNA to RNA to phenotype. And so this central dogma theory starts off with DNA turning into RNA. And the way this does it is this process called transcription. And so transcription is what we're going to learn about today. What does that process look like? What are the enzymes and molecules involved? And how and where does it happen? And so that is our goal today, to figure out why is RNA an essential part of the central dogma theory? And how do we actually make RNA from the DNA? And so that is our goal for today. As always, I will have my Zoom call open, so please feel free to jump on in and ask questions. I'm more than happy to sit down and work through the entire class with you if that's what you'd like. But other than that, stop me, make sure you go to video 2 after you do part 1, and stay awesome, stay amazing, and stay safe. I will see you later.